Hey YouTube, I want to give you a couple of quick tips if you are replacing your Bosch powerpack battery 300, 400, 500 on your e-bike. This is the most stolen battery at the moment because it's so interchangeable. So many bikes use this as the main battery for them. Now, if you're replacing it, what you may find is that when you put it on, that it doesn't read on the display. Always remember to remove your display when you leave your bike and the battery if you can. But you may find that it doesn't read or it keeps cutting out. And the reason is, and I'm going to show you close up in a minute, when a bike thief rips out one of these, they do it in a way so as all the damage goes on the latch. Now what you can see is here, if you look very closely, that bit, watch there, you see it goes up and down, up and down. So that is the bit they are breaking. Basically, they will use a crowbar or a screwdriver and a hammer, and they will smash that bit to break that off, but to keep the battery intact. So when you put the new battery on, it will rattle a bit, and it won't connect properly to the display and the motor. So you may need to buy at exactly the same time the holding mechanism for the battery. Now, the guy that got in touch with me about this bike, he went on ChatGPT to find out which batteries are interchangeable. And ChatGPT told him, because he had the 400 before, you can use 3, 4, or 500. And it even, very cleverly, gave him different e-shops you could use, and it said where the battery was in stock. However, it was totally wrong. The prices were wrong, where it was in stock was wrong, and it couldn't anticipate that in fact you'd need to replace this part of the mechanism as well. So ChatGPT doesn't have all the answers. I hope this is useful for you. If you've got any questions or comments, stick them in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks.